It's fantastic to have such a diverse group of people joining us here at Reeco headquarters today, from Welsh Government through to other Powys business representatives, through to our clients, partners and local manufacturers.
Today is about opening our doors and showing what's possible when businesses integrate automation into the process to improve productivity, efficiency and long-term growth. There's a well-documented productivity gap in Wales compared to other parts of the UK, but we see a huge opportunity. Welsh manufacturing has an incredible potential, and with the right tools and support, businesses here can compete on a national and international stage.
At Reeco, we specialise in robotics integration from end-of-line automation like palletisers, conveyors to autonomous mobile robots and AI-powered systems that support quality control and data-driven decision-making. This event is designed to be hands-on, giving people the chance to experience the technology, ask questions and explore how it could fit their own operations.
We have seen a great success with similar events at Bradford, and it's just lovely to bring that experience back to Newtown. It's an important step that we showcase not just what Reeco can do, but what Wales can achieve.
So my role as chairman for the BARA part of Automate UK, the British Automation Robotics Association, it's been great to be here at Reeco today in mid Wales on their open day for their palletiser products, supporting UK industry and UK manufacturers with lots of different automation ideas. We see across the industry a big uptake in food and beverage type applications, adoption of automation, robotics, and it's great to see that Reeco are supporting all of them with the solutions they bring to market.
Hi, I'm Ryan from FBC UK. I'm a project engineer working capitals and local. We have worked with Reeco before and they've done an amazing job over in our Blackpool factory, and it's been a pleasure to come down here and see the new innovative solutions they bring to the market, and it's been a great day.
For anyone considering automation, the key message is simple. Start the conversation. You don't have to do everything at once, but that first step can unlock huge benefits. We're proud to be part of the Welsh manufacturing landscape, and we're excited to help businesses on that journey.